What's up everybody, my name is Antonio Franklin and I am from the DIY King channel, and I thank Raleigh today to have me on this channel just to talk about my experience in the fish keeping hobby. So me as a kid growing up don't know anything about animals. We only had a fish tank in the house with a lot of fishes, and for me it was really fascinating just to see like fish swimming in water, and we can't survive in water. So one day what I decided to do was to take the fishes out of the water and see if they would survive out of the water. And well, you guys probably know that they didn't survive, and I had to deal with my parents after that. Starting from there, I was fascinated about fish, so I started to research on fish. I started to buy fish. I think I bought my first fish about like 12 years old. Yeah, and that fish lived with me for about 3 years. I'm going to put a picture on the screen. It was a pico. The fish keeping hobby, it's a really good hobby. About the fish keeping hobby, and number one is the fish keeping hobby. It's really good in terms of financially. So you're doing this as a hobby and you can also turn it into a business. So you're doing something that you love, and at the same time you're getting income from it. So yeah, that's why I love the fish keeping hobby. It occupies your time. You don't have any time for procrastination. You always have something to do. You wake up in the morning, you know that, hey, the first thing I should do is check on my fish, make sure that everything is good. And yeah, that's number 2 on my list. This fish keeping hobby make you feel like you have a purpose, and the fish keeping hobby helps you to meet new people. So in the fish keeping hobby, it doesn't base on like keeping fish only, but you have to learn a wider diversity of things. For example, you learn about fish, you learn about different diseases that affect fish, you learn about wastewater management. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like, please check out my channel. I'll see you all.